I'm up at 42 and I do not want no chaser. And you need a nigga to handle your attitude, but I'm a nigga with paper.
What is up, you guys? My name is Laura Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Touchdown. This is their products. They sent me 3 different scents and as well as their oil. I'll break it down later on into the video, but make sure you guys go check out these products. You can get this at any beauty supply. This is their CBD and 24. See, these dogs get real ghetto. I don't know why them dogs gotta get ghetto like that. And I actually used this while I was deep conditioning and it was bomb. You guys are gonna see how I did it. So if you guys wanna know how to super moisturize, slick ponytail look from start to finish, keep on watching and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are not already subscribed, yes, you are missing out. I hate to tell you, but yes, you are missing out. So therefore, you should go ahead and subscribe. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get right on into it. Okay, so as you guys know, I just took my wig out my hair and this is what my hair looks like. If you have not already seen my most recent video, go check it out and I will link it right here. Already taken off the glue and everything with conditioner and all that. Still got them. Okay, so today's video is going to be sponsored by Touchdown. This is what the company looks like. They have decided to send me their 24 karat gold and CBD edge control line, as well as their Miracle Growth oil. They also sent me a scarf, which I'm going to use later on in the video. And this does have real CBD and real gold in it. I'll put their Instagram right at the top. It is literally at any local beauty supply. I've used it on my mom and I've used it on me as well, and I love them. It's supposed to regrowth, strengthen, and repair. So most edge controls, they break off my hair. This one, I don't feel like it'll do that. I'm gonna put this on my scalp while I condition. Now this oil right here, I love this oil. So many different oils in here and it doesn't have any chemicals in here. Also has 50 ppm CBD in it. That's how much CBD is in it. This is also supposed to regrowth, strengthen, and repair. Go check this out. This is also for all hair types. Thank you guys so much for sending me these products and I will update you guys. And I'm washing my hair in the sink mainly because I just did not feel like doing this in the shower. the same exact steps on the other side of my hair, and I'll rinse all my conditioner out. This is my hair freshly washed. And I'm really thinking about trimming my ends. I'm not gonna lie, because my hair is not acting how I want it to act. My hair is this long, so why is it not acting like it's that long? So yeah, I think I'm gonna trim my ends while I put in my deep conditioner. Just start out oiling my scalp first. I'm gonna be using this triple strength superpower oil. Love, 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 love the spout, because all you gotta do is twist it, and it's so tiny, and it comes out. You see how it doesn't pour out? Like, you can do however much you want to come out. So I'm gonna just put this on my edges. I'm just put this on my edges. Show you guys how much comes out. That's how much comes out, because you don't need a whole lot. And I'm gonna just put this on my scalp. Not need a whole lot of this. Whew, my hair, scalp is tingling. Next, I'm gonna section my hair into 4 sections. So this is the deep conditioner that I'm going to be using, and this is how thick it is. Like, this stuff is thick. Just put this on my hair, and it just makes my hair feel like butter. And I think I'm going to just go through and do like small trimming. Cut this off. I'm literally just snipping my ends just because I feel like it's been a minute. Okay, so this is how each section is about to look, and I'm gonna do this on each and every section. Alright, so I have hit pan on this, so if you want me to try out any hair mask, let me know. So that'll be my next one to try out. An hour and a half. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, an hour and a half. And then we're gonna be right back.
A few moments later.
I'm about to just rinse my hair out. But this is how I got hiccups, y'all. I'm gonna take down my hair and show you guys how it looks. Okay. So this is how my hair is looking. It's back to life if you ask me. I had to put this robe on because my scalp was getting cold and I was getting cold. I'll be right back. How my hair looks. I'm pretty satisfied. It's back to how curly it's supposed to be. Get the rest of this island oil. I'm gonna take this robe off in a minute. I just have it on right now because I just know my hair is cold. You guys see how my hair is just cooperating? That's what you want. Look at that bun. Look at that bun. She's full. No damaged pieces. If you didn't know, now you know. Get the wrap that they gave me, and then I'm gonna tie this down, and then I'm gonna go to my makeup, and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
You guys, so this is the finished look. I'm not gonna lie, I need to like do this. I need to fix this part. But other than that, it came out exactly how I wanted it to come out. And I have on a beat face mainly because I was on TikTok and I was doing a TikTok and I wanted to do a makeup TikTok. So that is exactly why I have on a full face. So yeah, you guys see that this is gonna drive me crazy. Like I want it to be like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you guys go check out this company. This is what it looks like, and it has a 24 karat and CBD oil in it. Love this oil for deep conditioning. When I deep condition, my scalp was so tingly. So y'all go check that out. But other than that, I enjoyed doing this video. I kind of want to do more hairstyles. Without further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that good stuff. Follow me on all of my socials. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video.